Hey guys, for today's video, I'll show you how to create a PayPal account with no credit card. So we're here on the website, so we need to select sign up. And then we will see two options, personal and business account. For personal, you can use this to shop online or receive payments. And for business, you can use this if you have business. So we will select a personal account for this video. And then we need to click the next. And here we can use this as online shopper, individual, both, or I'm not sure, but we will select individual or freelancer. And then next. And then here we need to add our phone number so that our account will be activated. And then once done, we will need to wait for the confirmation code. And then once you enter the code, you will see an option here to enter your email, first name, your middle name, last name, and then also you will need to create your password and then you need to confirm it. And then once done, click next. And here you need to add your birthday and then your nationality, which is Philippines. Identification, you can select from national ID, passport, or driver's license. And then you need to add your ID number. After that, you need to enter your address, the street name, house number, subdivision, and then for the barangay and also the district, and also the city or municipality, and then also the zip code, and then the province or region. And then also you can activate one touch if you like, and of course you need to agree also to the terms and condition, and then you need to agree and then create account. Alright, so once you're done with everything, you will see here your main page. You will see your first name and then your PayPal balance, and on the right part you will see the recent activity, and on the top you will see send and request option, wallet, and then also offers, and then help, and also you will see the log out option, the settings, and the notification bell. And I believe that's it for our video today. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!